All right. I get a lot of questions about how I organize contacts and how I just kind of make sure that I'm following up with everybody without letting anybody slip through the cracks. So I just figured I'd do a quick vid and show you what I do, and you can use it as a reference point. First of all, obviously I'm in Outlook, and um, if you'll notice over here, I'm using Outlook 2003. 2007 looks a little bit different, but the functionality is the same. And if you look over here, I view contacts by category. And for me, that's just the easiest and what makes the most sense to me. I categorize all my contacts. I've got A, B, and C. And then obviously I have a lot of other personal categories that I use for various things, but the ones I'm talking about today are categories A, B, and C. When I first get a lead, I categorize them as B. And what I do personally is I follow up with all B categorized clients every Tuesday morning before sales meeting. So that's my way of making sure that when I get a new lead, I follow up with them at least once a week for 8 weeks. And what I will do is flag, like let's say I'm just putting this guy in. I will flag him, and as you can see, this is going to fire in a couple of days. But the point is that, or actually tomorrow, but the point is that I put them in and I set the flag to fire 8 weeks from the date that I put them in. And then I click OK, and then I save the contact under the B category. If you look down here in the lower right hand corner of the category file, you click categories, and you can change the category to anything you want. If you want to, and obviously these are all categories I've put in myself, the easiest thing to do is to just click master category list, and then you can, with these buttons over here on the right, you can add, delete. Outlook doesn't come with all these categories built in. It's got a bunch of lame, really generic categories, so I basically just went in and deleted them all and put in the categories that I wanted. So I made A, B, and C all my categories in here. You come in here and I categorize it as B, and then I go and flag them for follow-up 8 weeks from the day that I put the category in. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about that, but that's the basic gist of it. And now, see, he's categorized as B and as a personal lead. So when I save him, and then I go back and I follow up with him, because he's a B category, right? I follow up with all my B categories every Tuesday morning before a sales meeting. So all new leads get followed up with me 8 times over the next 8 weeks. After 8 weeks, this contact is gonna fire, and I will know that and it's what Gary Keller and what I refer to as 8 by 8. I've contacted him 8 times over an 8-week period, so I've drilled him that way. And at this point, I either know that this guy is an active client or he's not. So tomorrow when this fires, I'm going to recategorize it. In this event, this is not a guy who's going to be calling me back anytime soon. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to open him up and I'm going to recategorize him from B to C. And I'm going to save it. I'm real uptight and anal about it, so I'm not going to do it right now, but you can see what I'm doing. After his contact file fires, and it's been 8 weeks, I followed up with him 8 times, and if he is somebody that I'm working with at that point, I'll recategorize him as an A, which are contacts that I am actively working with and talking to every day. And category B. Category C is where I put people where this guy is going to be tomorrow. See, So I'm going to recategorize him. He's going to be a C. C's are contacts that I contact twice a month. What I learned from the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, that is a 24 touch system. So the 8x8, I contact them 8 times over 8 weeks, and they know who I am by then. And they're either calling me back and I'm working with them or not. Either way, it's fine. I'm going to drop this guy to a category C tomorrow, and then I'll continue to contact them twice a month, basically for all eternity, until he will either tell me to stop contacting him, or he will bounce back to an A category when that opportunity presents itself. So this is just a leads funnel that I use to make sure that I know right here at a glance, these are the people I need to talk to today. These are the people I need to talk to Tuesday morning. And these are the people that I need to talk to twice a month as I have time. And that way, every lead gets contacted. Nobody slips through the cracks. And that's basically it. Comment the post if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Thanks.